Nothing the shop now, just now I know what I will collect even if now $100 from you. I will this shop bread and water. I might take over this month.
See what you happen. You know say now one pound 2,500 with this people.
Eh? 1 pound. 2,500. Hey! We have never chopped since yesterday. They can't turn that we go fight it as well people. Eh? I mean they can't go bless them. Go bless them ×2.
See what I will do is if I go, I will give her money, then any change will remain. Then if I come out, I will remain now. Any change will remain now.
You still not going to remain,
the change will remain. Don't chill.
I wait now.
They come now. No go.
I wait for you, right?
Just stay and
I wait for you.
Stay here. No make noise.
Change you remember. I no go do finish carry even my change given. 2,500. Funny. 1 pound. Hi. If I like come money, I no go dey beg money now. You go dey beg me money. Hey. Go. Now wait now. But this guy self, you know they try yo. You know if you go marry, all these Abakaliki people find one give better. As you go they carry money they pour 1, 2, 5, pour 2. Even a million when you go do there. If you do 3 now, a big money yo. Hey.
I will come back later. I will come back. Sweet baby. Oh, very sweet. Okay. Put it out.
That finish.
Nah, that finish.
But it's very dear for sense.
Nah, the guy is sweet.
You can see I don't know around. You don't do it. You know that they carry around the go. I'm not gonna get money to put my own.
So I want you to come out now.
Thank God. This is the kind of prayer when they pray. No good, you forget.
You say my man. I will do it.
Thank you.
Where are you keep the money, sir?
Just say no forget the change there.
Okay. Thank you. And it will be some other time.
I will wait for you.
Bye-bye.
Hey!
Bros.
Now we're done. Well done.
This is one way there.
Okay, you don't see that girl come out now. I mean the day just pass. I mean the day. Best thing I won't go.
What I guess
Wait, no the who won't go first? But this what I want to talk now. You reach 12 now. When I say I there now, once that girl come out, I'm the managing director.
Passion.
God bless you. Finish up. Managing director of all these Ashawos. We get the woman as the personal assistant in terms of money. Because if you pay, I give you tickets. If you wait, I will go inside. Go tell her. Because it's a rush I'm now. So when I will pay my money.
You said how much?
225 each.
Now you will give money.
I know the English. Now me be personal assistant to all these people they stay here, especially that one, PA, in terms of monetary aspects.
Since when?
You don't see when this guy they give me this thing.
Forget about what they give. I they come here every day. Now my customer now. I come last week. Last 2 weeks. I know. Since when now?
Now I make him now. Since this thing happened yesterday. You come yesterday? No. You get some group of guys who can't do finish. Chop the girl, chop. Even as I did, they had their sound. Can't even beat them on top.
Yeah.
Collect all the money. Oh. Even for the other one self. They don't pay. Cause everything are free. So that thing wey happen. I dey here that day. I just dey pity. So she can't come and say my account dey crash. And from now onwards, now dey collect money for anybody wey come. Then if I collect the money, I come tell and say customer don't come.
Okay, no need of wasting time because as I do so now, this thing
Can't move.
No, I don't count them.
Correct guy.
Thank you. Where are they going now?
Wait, now. Where your money?
My money?
No be talk na flow come. I no go there twice.
You go first go now before.
Oga give me money. If you no want that, we go comot. I won't go once.
I will come.
Every time money go dey hard na give na fellow man.
Wait.
I will need you with them.
Okay. How much you call am?
2.5.
2. No vex.
2.5.
Okay. 2.5. 2.4 can.
You spoon. No before you won't come for before.
When you carry the money, they go. What I go do again? What you go do?
Why be say some people dey hear English for this? I say I go tell and say they don't pay. I go bring the seat come.
Go quick.
Hey, man, wait for me here.
Go quick. I beg.
Hey, guy.
Yeah.
You get aye. Yo, now this guy one, how they want for this my job? Oh, no be all those ones where you carry such look like finger battery, call the tickle person.
You know say the gym, break the gym.
Okay, yeah, they do gym.
I dey go gym.
You be correct guy. You be correct guy.
Hey.
As you do this one finish, but I'm saying you come back again now.
I dey come back this evening.
Nah. Hey, customer,
If
come
say-
back. I beg. I take God beg. Come back.
They come here now. In fact, for what you do me now, which kind of food you want chop?
Hi, Ajay customer, you want buy me food? You want buy me food back?
Money pay now.
Hi. Okay, you just buy me swallow, better swallow, my get strength now.
Thank you. Please tell me if I won't take that swallow.
Ajay customer.
Yes. You are coming for the third one.
Now your kind people now they work for this job. Not be all these or show free people wey go come. They go dey price you. They will not say na 2.5. Then they go dey do all those. They will just. Ajay customer. Now your kind people. Now this kind people. Now in the video they call talk and do. Shey na they don't sing that song. I be like myself. I don't even know sha.
I'm letting them skip.
Abi.
Yeah.
I think say na nice o.
Might go buy food.
I dey wait.
Shey na happen.
Fufu better swallow. For the egusi soup I dey chop o, make they put pomo.
No worry, I will buy and two chop am together. Me and Egusi the chop too.
Hey, Ajay customer. I dey wait o. Customer.
Too much.
Hey, you 3 much. For you 58 much. Hey, Ajay customer. I don't know wetin dey do my door. They don.
Not too much. Shake.
Ali, jiggy.
Wait now.
No, beat me.
What think you be so long since the other way enter?
I tell them I say na the signature. You say they sign signature.
Yeah.
So na the signature now. How will they sign?
The man dey
But
go now.
wait, you know the rush now. Probably we get to say she said she dey hungry. So I describe as 12 on a day. Able-bodied man. And if I use this verse when I take na enter there, she fit die. So as I can't explain everything finish, say make she chop first, get strength. So that she no go regret seeing una.
So as you do so, wetin we go do? Where you dey go now? Wetin be the issue
Where is
now?
the food na back of this fence? So ma go buy food, no go give am energy.
You just say no go waste time.
I dey craze.
No waste time, abeg.
Wait, ma I follow you. I know waste. You wan follow me go buy food?
Go fast.
No be before you wan come for.
Oja,
You wan come follow me buy food again?
Oja, go quick, come back abeg. I can move them na road dey go.
I go see me na.
Run abeg more.
Come on, relax.
Oga no dey hide too much. Na me go first go na. Everything get easy get enjoy na.
Nna so say gabi ihe dị nna.
Come no go wait for am.
I no go wait for am now.
Mama dị njọ.
Oge nyekwa m ego m.
Mma anyụrụ ebe a. Mma anyụta. Mma gbakwa taya.
Oh.
They will just blow tire like that. More than 30 minutes, he never show. I don't think I keep on waiting for this guy. Bro, see, may I go enter? May I go do my own?
I can't wait here.
You go wait. May I go just take her. Small, she no go die. She no go die.
Just wait.
When she don't chop finish.
Small.
Baby, so sweet.
I don't say we'll come back again, back.
Yeah, so. You're very sweet. Thank you very much. Thank you. Don't worry. If I go, then I'll come back tomorrow again, okay?
Oh, okay.
Thank you. Baby, you're very sweet.
Yeah.
Thank you.
You'll come back again, man.
Tomorrow, I'm here. The best. Let me go in, Jared. Thank you. Let me go and I'll come back tomorrow. Thank you.
Where's my money? Which kind of energy you got? Where's my money now? Which kind of joke? You no, Shafi won't come to here. I didn't pay me, Joe. Okay, give me money.
What do you mean, man?
You don't finish, you don't give me money. They ask me what I mean.
Which I don't give you? I don't give your PA money now. Which I don't give you money.
Which PA? You dash me PA.
You get one tall guy, one tall yellow guy like that, who say he be your PA. Where you say make you go buy food for you, man?
Hold on there. Wait, oh, now my customer they call my PA. Let's go call here, shag me finish. Let us say you won't go buy food for me, ba. I don't even ask them for
I don't understand this one way they talk.
Benny, this kind of thing. I beg you money. I go forever for you. Is this a joke? This a joke? This kind of thing. I beg you money, Joe. I beg pay me. I beg.
This guy don't kill me.
If you kill me, I will kill you here.
I send you your PA, I carry money give her.
You carry money give her. I shall not help you. I shall they help you for village.
I think say your own get level now.
My own get level. My own get level that day here. I do